Okay, hello friends and family, back on trail after a good rest in Hood River. It was a wonderful time. We ended up hiking 2 years ago. We circumvented Mount Hood, so we have hiked a lot of the trail up to this point. This is Indian Springs campground. We end up getting a ride to this point. We're going to finish our 2 days into Cascade Locks to finish the trip and the timeline that we had set for ourselves. So it should be a really fun couple days. There's a lot of waterfalls. We are going to take the alternate route to from the PCT, and we're going to call it the waterfall route. We'll show you a bunch of waterfalls along the way. What do you got to say?
I'm excited. It's going to be a beautiful couple of days out on the trail. So yeah, will be fun.
So behind us, so we can kind of see, you won't be able to see, but behind us, well, there's a hint of Mount St. Helens, Rainier, and Adams, but it is a bit smoky, as hopefully you can tell by that, looking out there. Well, we found a picnic table last night. That was pretty nice. Packed up the tent. We're ready to go. Head down the mountain. It's about 7:15. We're going to drop about 3,000 foot in elevation in the next 4.5 miles. Then I think it levels out a little bit. It'll still be dropping. It could be a hard day, just because of the descent, but it's a lot of waterfalls and fun on the way. We just take our time. We got 2 days to go, about 15 to 20 miles. Anyway, good morning from day 31. This is, what day is this?
It's Friday.
Friday?
Yeah,
no,
Friday.
It's Thursday.
Oh, Thursday. I've already lost track.
She's been out here one day and she's lost track.
Yeah,
but
no
anyway,
way.
that's where we're at. All right, good morning. After a half mile or so of walking through the dense forest, run into this rock pile. You can just kind of see the trail going down there. There's Lisa watching her steps. And first opening of the area. Easy, easy, look at you, like a ballerina. The log challenge right here. Look at the agile one.
Long legs. We are seeing a lot of this on this trail. Very challenging.
We drop down this 3,000 feet. We reach getting pretty close to Eagle Creek. Just a beautiful little creek. Lots of activity in this. Supposed to be 7 Mile Falls coming up here real soon.
Pretty narrow little trail right here.
7 Mile Falls, and the big pool that is below it is very inviting to jump in. That was quite a undercut trail that we just walked through. Makes you concentrate. 7 Mile Falls.
Nice dive.
Woo! Deep! Yeah, it is. It was big, right?
You got hot springs. Hot springs.
Nice, huh? Yeah. It's really chilly. Yeah, just a little bit though. Yeah.
Down from the swimming hole is this little falls, which ends up going to another falls called Twister Falls. You can see why it might be called Twister Falls. I can't really see that. It's just going way down the hill. I'm on the edge of the cliff, trying not to fall in, but look at that. Way down to the bottom. Right next to Twister Falls, you have a cable you can hang on to, because it is straight down. What a gorgeous place. This is Eagle Creek. This is just a gorgeous place. From top to bottom here is Tunnel Falls. If you notice, right there's some people going through all the way down to this wonderful big pool down below. A lot of forest down there. Now let's have Lisa do it. Incredible! Wow! You made it!
This is cool too.
Here we are walking next to the wall. Here's another waterfall. I don't even think this one is named, but just a bunch of beautiful steep drop waterfalls into great big pools of water.
Good morning from our palace by the river. Today is day 32. We end up sleeping right next to the water. It was 91 degrees yesterday and ended up being a nice place to just be able to jump in. We did get in the water a few times yesterday. Have a maybe 7-8 mile walk today down, see a few more falls. Let me show you, look out the door of the tent here and see what. There's morning. There's a 4.5 mile bridge right there. Just upstream is a little bit of that's the noise you hear, but there's a big pool out here. Anyway, that's what our day is starting off as. We'll continue on and give you an update later.
This was an unexpected pleasure this morning. Beautiful gorge right here. We're standing way up above it on a bridge. Coming down and continuing on. Wow. The last part of the trail is a 2.4 mile road walk. We're in a tunnel going underneath I-84. There's Lisa, just plugging along. There she goes. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Finishing something like this is I don't know, don't have words for it. 547 miles. When I started, I didn't necessarily know what I'd be getting into, but I just really enjoyed seeing the highlights, the peaks, and the beautiful creeks. But here we are at Cascade Locks. That's a month long. Of course, none of this is possible without my wonderful wife, Lisa. So the camera is probably sobbing right now because I'm so touching. But no, with the fact that we were able to retire at the same time and be able to experience these things together is just pretty amazing. She did through the Crater Lake section and through the Eagle Creek section, which are probably the two most beautiful spots. And just to thank you for being such a good partner.
You're welcome. Here is Bridge of the Gods. We made it.
Final destination. Here we are at PCT Trail Days, and this is Thunder Island. It's at Cascade Locks. It's the old port. They actually have the locks here, but look at all the tents. I'm gonna zoom in. Look at all the tents. There's still gonna be people coming all the way down the locks. We're gonna go get a spot right now and commence the party. Be able to hear me much, but this is just the Thunder Island Brewing, which is it's up the block from the rest of the group, the Thunder Island, where people are camping. Friday nights here, and then there'll be another party later. Well, good morning. Day after the PCT Trail Days, big party last night, and I just wanted to show you all the people that are here. All the tents. Those are all tents. This is on what's called Thunder Island, and they just keep going on and on and on. We were in there somewhere, but you can see the tents all the way down to the end of the island. It's a lot of fun. Tonight should be a lot more fun. There's a canal right here for the old Cascade Locks when it was used before Bonneville Dam was put in. Yeah, just an incredible experience to see all these people come together for PCT Trail Days. There's at least 300 tents here.